Form 1065, also known as the U.S. Return of Partnership Income, is an informational tax form used to report the income, gains, losses, deductions, credits, and other applicable information concerning the operations of a partnership. PdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of Form 1065 that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. Begin by filling boxes A through K at the top of the form and include information on principal business activity, principal product or service, business code number, employer identification number, the date your business was founded, total assets as shown by your books, type of tax return, accounting method, and the number of Schedule K-1s you're attaching. Proceed to complete the rest of the boxes on page 1. You'll find that these boxes are separated into 3 categories: income, deductions, and tax and payment. Once finished, fill out Schedule B on pages 2 and 3. Provide detailed information on your company's ownership percentages, partnership debts, partnership investments, and foreign partners. Proceed to Schedule K on page 4 and indicate each partner's share of the partnership's income, credit, and deductions. Next, you'll need to fill out the remaining sections of Form 1065, which include Schedule L, Schedule M1, and Schedule M2. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign your Form 1065 directly in the PdfFiller editor. Then, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give PdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.